Hello, the next technology I want to share about is Canvas, which I actually just used for the first time in one of our past assignments, but still pretty new to me. This would be something that could be used for projects or presentations, and really the audience could be students or teachers. Students could use this to make presentations or make, based on projects in school and present them, or the teachers can make presentations of the lesson or the instruction that they can present to the students. But you can make videos from this. I'll go ahead and click on presentations. So it's similar to like Google Slides or things like that, but I feel like a few more things you can do with it. You can have all these different templates to start with, and layouts, so you can really customize it, and then you can add text to it, you can add audio to it, you can do different elements like shapes and lines and pictures, and so you can really just customize this a lot to do different presentations or projects. And so the standards that I chose for this were 3.2D, communicating effectively. You can really create presentations to communicate things, and also 3.2, I might have messed up on the standards there, but I'm not sure the number, but it's about sharing lessons learned and other info. So another standard about just sharing info and data and lessons that you've learned with other people. So this is Canva. Thanks.